The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Washington County in north-central Maryland, northeastern Berkeley County, and the Panhandle of West Virginia until 7:15 p.m. At 6:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Williamsport, Oregon, 8 miles north of Martinsburg, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Williamsport, St. James, Halfway, Keedysville, Funkstown, Falling Waters, Sharpsburg, Fairplay, Heddensville, and Big Spring. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Okay, severe thunderstorm. It'll end at 7:46.